so me and Shelby are going to Duluth today. It's the 27th? It's the 27th of June. We're going on a little girls trip today. We're going up to Duluth, Minnesota. It's a really beautiful place that's actually pretty close to where we are from. So, and there's beaches, there's lots of landmarks. It's just a really great place to like go on a little girls trip. That's not too far from home, doesn't take up too much traveling time. So right now we're stopping at Target to kind of get some car preparations for the day, for the drive.
Because how long is the drive?
It's about 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so we're gonna get some energy, some breakfast, and any other last minute essentials we need. So here we go. % of our videos are Target runs. Like, we're here every day.
True. You came here 3 times the other day.
I did. I'm surprised they didn't like give me a restraining order saying you can't come back. But I'm spending money, so why would they do that?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that worked. Sandwiches!
The lighting is so bad. There's another air quality warning in Minnesota. Yay!
I don't know what. Oh my god, my ears are popping. We're getting higher.
We're going real fast.
I don't even know what the speed limit
Ooh,
is
a
here.
bridge. I can't even see it.
Oh, my ears popped.
There's a bridge over there.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Still have 17 minutes. Oh, 3. We're taking Cody Street.
Oh, there's a zoo.
We're 3 minutes away. We can't check in yet, so I don't know why we're going here, but we're gonna go here.
Shake it. We made it. Oh. That big bump.
I want to go down that road again.
Yeah, so we just made it to the place where we're supposed to be staying.
Yeah.
There's like a little shake drive-thru. That's hilarious.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Let's just drive around this road.
You technically made it to Duluth.
That was really scary.
We went down a really funny road. Where the hell are we? How did we get here?
I don't know. Is this a one-way?
I don't know. I just see a cop.
I saw a cop too. Oh, do you see another one?
No. Whee! There's
Oh,
always a
I
car.
better not be turning in here, because that'd be really unfortunate. Hold on to your butts. We're in West Duluth. We're not in Duluth. We're in West Duluth.
Okay, it's still technically Duluth. There's probably not going to be anything super fun around here.
Do we want to drive to Duluth? It's only like another 20 minutes.
Yeah, honestly, let's just do that, because...
Hell no, we know where we're going.
See you there! Woo! It's so far away. They can probably still hear it. Turn it off!
I should just go on YouTube and look up like free jazz music.
Free jazz music. Dovetail.
Wow.
That place is so ugly. It's like a lime green on the inside. We're looking at places to go and eat.
I'm at a red light for those of you who are yelling at me for looking.
What? That wasn't even your fault. Was that the person behind you?
I don't know. It's a stupid fucking Tesla again, though.
Whee! I wonder if I
St.
can...
Scotia. Oh, there's the University of Duluth. If anyone cares.
University of Minnesota, Duluth.
Same difference.
Not really. Oh, look.
Billy, Chili Billy.
There's stuff. I can't
That's
see.
a cool building.
Okay.
Jimmy John's. Yeah, we came all this way for Jimmy John's.
Yeah, that Taco Bell. We've seen Caribou. We've seen everything.
Is that the tavern you were talking about? Tavern.
It'll work, but that's not the one I was talking about. I need to look at my no.
Okay.
Just let Bluestone Dermatology.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
We are aging. That bus is aging.
This is hilarious.
I don't know where the hell I'm going.
Yeah, we don't have any idea where we're going. This is just gonna be a long clip of us trying to figure out where the hell to go because we don't really know what we're doing.
If worse comes to worse, we can speed it up and
Do
sound
we-
like chipmunks.
Yeah. Do we want to go here? Just because we don't really know what we're doing.
Actually on the lake.
I don't know.
Look at the map of it. It's a
sir.
green light.
Google it Maps.
Google it.
Google it Maps.
I'm literally just in an area.
Sir.
Why is this turning only while we're turning?
Sir. Oh, we're turning. Oh God. This is-
Going back down.
You better merge.
I'm in the merge lane.
Okay.
Yay!
Sir.
Trees!
Benedict's. Wow, it's the first thing that came out. It is on the lake.
Okay, well, yeah, we can go.
It's 9 minutes from here.
It's probably back that way.
Let's turn my phone on so they can hear our directions.
In 600 feet, turn left onto East Lewis Street.
It is back that way.
Head northeast on Snively Road toward Laurie Street.
Say that
then
again.
turn left onto
Snivelly?
Sussex Avenue.
Snivelly?
Snivelly.
Turn left onto Sussex Avenue. Then turn
Sussex?
left onto
Where?
You missed it.
Oh, it turned left. Oops.
In a quarter mile,
Shut your
turn right.
We made it to a really pretty place. Charlie's filming a TikTok. We're kind of chilling right now, but a little update.
How's your filming going? Your part's easy!
We made it! Woo! I already put that on my phone, but pretty. Bomba.
Sexy.
Ah! Jesus. This is scary.
Put it on and it's gonna stay. Okay.
My nose itches.
Sexy.
We're like trying, because our car is over in this parking lot right now. We were gonna go here and eat food. The power's out.
On the whole street.
Yeah, the power's out on the whole street, and so we just couldn't. And now apparently we are running across, and I feel like I'm gonna drop my phone and die.
Okay.
I'm not ready for this. Maybe you should hold the camera. I don't want to do this. I'm not recording this. Yeah, you.
Okay, I don't know which way that truck is turning.
3, 2, 1, run! We made it!
Okay, so we made it to Duluth. You probably saw some clips of us. We found like this really nice area by the lake to take some pictures and stuff, and now we're at a boutique downtown. So we're gonna go inside.
Yeah, it's really pretty. I'll try to get content clips. We don't know what's in there. I mean, we're looking at it and it looks cute, so we'll
Looks
see.
like clothes.
It looks
and-
like clothes.
and candles and like jewelry.
Yeah, so like, you know, the typical boutique kind of stuff. Well, we'll see what we get. Yeah, okay. Oh. It's really pretty.
Oh, that's okay.
So we literally found nothing to eat or in that store. It was really pretty, don't get us wrong. It was very beautiful, but expensive and...
Yeah, I did find a pair of sunglasses that I really, really liked. Like, I totally would have bought them, except they were $58, which I can't justify getting, because you could get something very similar at Target.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So it's been a interesting trip so far.
Yeah.
Fun, on our way back to where we're staying right now because we can check in at 3, which is in 4 minutes, and so the drive is 10 minutes. I'm gonna change at least. We're in a tunnel right now. I'm gonna change at least so we can go out and like take cute photos and stuff if we find places. Go out to eat and just try and have fun.
This looks so scary.
Yeah.
You're gonna get a bit of light and then we're gonna go in another tunnel.
Yay! Oh, I can't see it.
Time to go in another tunnel.
Yay! Anyways, that's the plan. We'll try and up your date.
Up your day! Good one. Good job. I applaud you. Ah, that was a great one. That was Shelby on caffeine is fun. Oh, that's so great. That's
Anyways.
We're gonna up you day. I can't even think of the real word. We're gonna update you guys. Now on the future plans and what happens. I feel like I have to speak in like pure and commas.
Pure and commas.
I'm gonna die. Oh, we're gonna speed up a little bit because there's a car on my butt.
That's what we're looking at. Yeah.
Oh, I'm speeding again.
Yep. Anyways, we'll update you guys when we get to the place. Checking in and everything. We might like try and like take things out, but we'll see. We'll see because we want to like be able to go out and have fun basically until it gets dark.
Yeah.
We're forced to go back into hiding because I didn't bring my taser.
Whoops.
So let's hope no one tries to kill us because we'll document it.
Yep.
And then it'll probably never get recorded. So this might be our last video, guys.
Oh my god, that's so scary. We're fine. Everything's fine.
This place feels really sketchy. We have to park by a garbage can. I don't know if you can tell right now, but we are literally in such a sketchy area. And the Airbnb that we got actually looks really nice on the inside. It's on top of a shake. it's on top of it like a shake restaurant thing place. We're in West Duluth right now, if you can tell by that sign. We're putting in the code. If someone tries to come out and murder us, we're getting it on camera. Oh! Wait! Let's go upstairs. We have to carry our luggage up this flight of stairs. Yeah. I'm gonna trip and die. Oh, there's a little Bath and Body Works air freshener.
Well, it looks like the pictures.
Well, that's good. Do we have a goodie bag? There's popcorn and one thing of water.
We get to take the popcorn bucket home.
Probably not.
Doors. Oh, well, the bedroom's right next to the
Couch?
This is a big bed.
No, it is not.
Perfect.
No.
There's 2 nightstands.
Yeah, every room has 2 nightstands.
Okay, this is nice. I like it.
Okay, yeah.
I'm satisfied. This is a decent closet. Let's turn on some lights. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a fan in here.
Yes! We're using that fan.
Okay. I like this dresser. Look at the little plant. I like it. Towels. Nice space. Oh, it comes with a diffuser. That's nice. It's big when you are in it.
That mirror is really high up.
Excuse me.
Like,
is there any other mirrors in there? Okay, let's check out. Is this on? Okay, so that works. Oh, we have an ice tray.
oh, there's a mirror in here. Like in the bedroom.
Okay, and it's actually like visible.
Yeah, like you could actually see yourself in it.
Is the couch at least comfy?
You
It's
feel
decent.
comfy?
I think I could probably. Yeah. Okay, let's go get our stuff.
We're all ready to go.
Woo!
Yeah.
I don't know, you're the one that bought a tiny little cheesecake. Does it even? Okay.
Yeah, if there is a chair that's open.
Well, okay.
Sideways, up in the air, as we walk each other home.
Got food.
Dinner time. So we just finished dinner. It was really good, honestly.
Actually, it was. I couldn't tell you the name of the place. Green light.
Canal Park Brewing Company. That's where it was.
It was very good.
Yep.
We walked along the pier. We didn't really get a lot of us talking to the camera, but we did that. Got some cute photos and stuff, which will be on our Instagram, so make sure you follow that. Now we're kind of just gonna go back home basically and chill and get work done and watch movies probably. Oh, okay, we're fine. Oh, no, we're not. Anyways, see you back at the Airbnb, I guess. Woo! You can't even see what you're doing. Come back. Good morning. It is what, 8:30 something? This child said that her internal alarm wakes her up at 8. I've been up since 6:30. I'm not wrong. Yeah, my face is breaking out and it's what happened to this side? What the? It started raining.
Screw the rain.
So we can't go to the beach today like we were honestly planning. We're depending on going to a park. We're gonna have to like makeshift some plans.
Give me a B.
No. Rain.
Give me an R.
R.
Give me an A.
A.
Give me an I.
I.
Give me an N.
N.
What does that spell?
Depression.
Rain sucks.
Ferociously tied penning a makeup pack. Yay! She got mascara on it.
I did.
Just got done getting ready. Cool. We have our energy drinks here. Yeah, because we don't have energy.
Shelby is drinking sparkling orange Celsius, and I am drinking watermelon wave Alani. We're about to go to 109 or 109 degrees.
No, 190 degrees.
190 degrees cafe. Ooh, steamy. Yeah, we're gonna go there. We're gonna go do some other stuff and take you guys with us. So
Yeah,
let's go. Okay, there's people who can't do that at all. So
She's talking about her parallel parking.
I'm really good at it. Okay.
It only took you 3 minutes.
It's not my normal car. So that's my excuse.
It's cute.
I'm already like.
Yeah, that's why we're here. Oh, look at that.
Okay, so we're currently walking on the street. It's kind of rainy.
Yeah.
Yep. We went and got coffee at a coffee shop, which we didn't videotape a lot of because there were people working in there, and there was a lot of people in there. So we just took like nicer pictures and stuff, which will be on the Instagram. I mean, they're on our story right now. But when this is,
Oh my god, it's the Caddy Shack.
when this is posted, there might be a post where there's some might be in there. So, yep. And then we went into a couple boutiques. Also, couldn't really record much because they're super small, and typically have like, yeah, a lot of people, and there's always like a worker, and so we just kind of felt rude. Yep. So we're gonna just keep walking around the streets of Duluth on this beautiful rainy day.
I have tamed the cat.
I don't like this. Chrissy, wake up! Hey, hello. Chrissy, wake up. Time to wake up. Chrissy, gonna make me go. I don't like this. Chrissy, wake up! Hi. It's fucking cold out here.
We're by the lighthouse right now. We're not going in because it costs $12 to get in there.
Well, 10, but
10 for college students, which we technically are now, but we're still not going in.
it's just.
So we found this bridge. That's definitely, my head is definitely in the way of this. We're gonna take photos, but we thought we should just update you guys on what's happening. Okay. Anyways, I'm not going to. Okay, that's it. Bye.
What happened, Shelby?
I fucking hate my life. You already can see it. I just got a huge. Oh my god. You can tell the story from your point of view.
So we left the lighthouse parking lot, and Shelby screams bloody murder like she just got stabbed, and it was because of a bug that ended up being a mosquito.
So, from my point of view, looking down at my chest, it looked like a spider on my chest, and that's why I freaked out.
Yeah.
And I smacked it, and it had blood on it, so it was definitely a mosquito, because I'm itchy and have a giant red mark, which kind of fucking sucks. Because I'm in a tank top that doesn't really cover that part of my chest, and it, yeah. Yay, photos!
Woo.
Gonna freaking cry.
But anyway, we're at the falls, so we're gonna go walk down that path and go check that out.
I'm sad now. This bitch is incapable of holding it up. Hold it straight. Straight and high.
Wait, which way do we go?
Upper falls or middle and lower falls? We want this one. We want the lower. This is what we're looking at right now. My phone and everything and camera are currently getting wet.
Look at the pretty birch tree.
Look, a bench. Content creator at work here. We made it. Look at this tree. Oh. I did it.
You did it. We're heading back. We
Look at
just
the tree.
we just went and checked out the falls. It's so pretty.
We got back from Gooseberry Falls.
Yep. It was really, really pretty. I've been
It was
there
pretty?
before, but it was pretty this time too.
We're gonna have to go back when it's not rainy, so I guess that means we have to come back.
Yeah. Yeah. Find somewhere nice to eat. Kind of like yesterday and this morning. Like we went to a pretty nice restaurant last night, and then this morning we went to a nice cafe. So we'll probably try and find something similar, but along the lines of a late lunch, because it'll be about 3 o'clock.
And then we can do other stuff for dinner. Like having a lighter dinner instead of like a super heavy dinner, because we ate dinner, went home, and like died.
Yeah.
That is why there's like no like footage from that night, because we literally went home and died. And like watched Pretty Little Liars and got work done.
And ate snacks.
Charlie ate snacks. I ate nothing.
Yeah. I was in a really snacky mood and I don't know why.
Anyways, so we'll see you guys when we figure out a plan.
Bye-bye.
We just got dinner and it's raining. No.
Yeah, okay. Oh boy.
She's really running. Oh my god. I got splattered. Unlock! Charlie!
I was so scared she like stole my keys because I didn't give her enough money.
Yeah, this girl paid her 20 cents. So, I don't even know what time we got here. We probably spent an hour in there.
Yeah.
It was not the best mall. I mean, it was kind of like, they had an Apricot Lane, which I don't know if that's a Universal. There is a Jurassic Park truck over there. There was like a Francesca's, there was like a Hot Topic, another store that I don't even know the name of.
The one that we just left.
Yeah. Like Glicks.
Glicks.
I've never heard of it before. Charlie got some stuff.
I got Merida, which right now my hair is straightened, but typically I look like her twin. So, and honestly, our personalities are pretty similar too, to be honest with you. Like, I just am Merida. So, I finally got it. It's the first time I'd ever seen it as a Funko Pop. And it's like a 2022 fall convention limited edition. So, probably wouldn't have found it many other places.
True.
But it was $20 and it's a hunk of plastic. So right now I'm like not super thrilled, even though I am on the inside.
You'll be happy tomorrow.
I'll be happy when I put it in my room. But
True.
I got 2 pairs of earrings, which I wear a lot of earrings today. Mine are really boring. Or they're not boring, they're just simple.
Mine are just black hoops.
But I'm really happy about these, to be honest. Like, I really like these a lot, and I'm probably gonna wear these to a wedding that I have upcoming, because my dress is this same blue color. Well, it's blue and white, but yeah. And then I also got more blue, ironically, but these are like a light blue half hoop. So, and they were both $5, which for Francesca earrings, they were originally $22.95 and $24.95. So, I can justify that to myself.
We're gonna go,
What is happening?
I don't know, run away.
Well, I need you to give me directions.
Oh, I got it on there. We're gonna go to a Plato's Closet because
Shelby feels like it.
that guy is
That's a funky run. It wants us to walk there.
We're not walking there.
Okay, good.
I
Feel better.
Yay.
Ooh.
Oh, good about that. I said we need to update everybody, and you went, oh!
I'm tired.
You're not even on camera.
I know.
Get your ass over here. You look fine.
I know.
It's an iPhone. No one can. So, Plato's Closet. I
It's
actually
actually
found.
really nice in there. Like, they didn't have a whole lot, but it was like Plato's Closets are sometimes like really dirty and like
Disgusting.
and sometimes they have really ugly clothing and they're just like not organized the best. But this one's in like a more modern place. So they have like their own stuff too besides just reselling clothes, which was nice. So anyway, go ahead.
This is just a pink jean jacket with like literal, like, I don't even know what you call those eyes. Melty heart eyes.
Yeah.
Crying heart eyes.
Something.
And, you know, favorite color is pink. This is honestly my kind of vibe. And I'm going to a Youngblood concert next month with my boyfriend, and I thought it was perfect, and so did he.
Oh,
So,
the car's not on. I want overalls with like the shorts, and I tried 4 different pairs on. Each one kind of had something not perfect about it, so I waited. But then it is not sweater season, believe it or not. It might be raining an absolutely freezing day.
Oh, it's like 60 degrees.
It's like 50.
It's 62 degrees.
On the car says 54. But it's not sweater weather. Like, it's tank top weather. But I find a sweater. But it's from
I find a sweater.
But it's from Shein. It was only like, it was $7, which isn't horrible. I mean, it's probably the normal Shein size. Shein price anyway, but at least I didn't have to order it online. But it's just
We hate Shein here.
It's just got like
Shein.
stripes. It looks like really big. It was so comfy though. It is so comfy.
It did look good on.
Yeah. And it's just a nice light sweater because I'm moving somewhere that's really hot. Literally a desert.
Yeah, this is what we're dealing with. We have a 12-minute ride back home, supposedly, but it's definitely gonna take longer since we're in fog.
And I'm going 20 miles an hour.
Charlie's kind of losing it.
Days I can't remember what I'm doing to keep from falling apart. And thank the
Good morning, everybody. It's now Thursday the 29th. It's the last day we're here in Duluth. Shelby's over there doing packing stuff. I'm already packed like a sophisticated person.
Bitch.
But yeah, so we're gonna start heading out here pretty soon. Today the plans are all kind of all over the place, but we're gonna go get breakfast. I found a place last night. It's just like another cafe. There's a memorial here in Duluth that a family member of mine really wants to see, or like read about it online and wants us to go see, so we might stop by that and check that out. And then we also are planning on going to the beach if the weather holds out. We're not gonna go swimming like we wanted to, but it's still something that we can do today right before we go home. That's nice and it kind of more low-key since we've been doing quite a bit the last 2 days. Yep, but we're about to head out, so if anyone wanted to see. Shelby, there's somebody out there. They didn't have any. I found this in a case at like the bottom of a bunch of cases. So I opened the case and then I almost like tipped over all of them to get it. And I think like the worker was about to kick me out, but oof. It's worth it for the caffeine.
Of our sign. Holy shit. This is actually cute.
Oh my god, there's a teddy bear shirt. You could wear this.
Yeah, it looks a little see-through though.
Oh my god. It's kind of cute. Straight over a flipping curb! That is the sidewalk!
Oh, they're turning, it's okay.
They just sat there.
I can't.
They're leaving! They're leaving! Turn around! Turn around! What is it? Move out of the way!
Park over here!
They're leaving! Yes! Move! Move!
What if they just found a better spot?
I don't care. This is my spot now, bitch.
This is 2-hour parking.
Yeah, we're not gonna be here for more than 2 hours.
Well, then why is there a thingy here? I don't know what's happening.
He looks so angry.
Yeah, he's falling down.
Chunky butt. Here. This is really entertaining.
We went through this entire stack of cards, this entire thing.
We had good bread, really good jam, really just good breakfast overall, and then we just like went off the grid for 2 hours and read cards. No, I literally haven't responded to anyone on my phone for like 2 hours.
We basically got the same thing for breakfast. It was like 2 eggs, 2 pieces of toast, 2 sausage, and then like breakfast potatoes, like the little cubed potato pieces. So we each got that, and then we both ate our toast, and we were like, we kind of want more. And so Charlie over here said, can we each get a side of toast?
Yep.
Now, let the record show, I was a little nervous about this once she did it, and she's like, it'll be like 2 pieces each, like we'll be fine. And then the guy brings it out and brings us each 4 pieces of toast.
We had a whole loaf of bread.
We literally ate a whole loaf of bread.
Yeah, we had the beach.
So it literally started pouring. It's like actually pouring right now. What's wrong?
The music stopped playing for no reason whatsoever. I don't have any Wi-Fi. But I can get text messages? This is stupid.
We're probably like 20 minutes.
Jesus! Why? I did it! Oh, that was amazing.
What happened?
The longest left turn green light ever on Earth. That was amazing. We are home, so that is the end of our Duluth trip. We did a lot. We are both very tired.
It's been real.
Yes, it's been really fun though. We did do
A lot of stuff.
Most of the stuff that we wanted to do.
True.
Today was still very fun too, even though it was like the come home day. We still did a lot this morning. Had a really good breakfast. Again, gonna mention that because it was so good. But yeah, thanks for kind of joining us on our journey. It's probably gonna be one of our longer videos, but it's still a good one. So thanks for sticking through. A lot of our content from this weekend will be on our social media pages, TikTok and Instagram.
Make sure you go follow that. Okay.
But thanks for joining us. We're gonna go sleep for 10 hours now.
Bye.